Do you have a seal of approval to supersize and grow your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is seal of approval. Now, I didn't realize how many thoughts and opinions I had about this particular topic until I started thinking about it today and looked up the origin of it. Seal of approval actually came from Good Housekeeping. Good Housekeeping wanted to sell more ads for their magazine, so they decided they would create a certified seal of approval, meaning that people that paid to advertise in their magazine, they'd test their products and say, yep, this is a good product, you should buy it. Basically, though, they would test the products, but all you really had to do was pay for advertising in the magazine in order to get the Good Housekeeping seal of approval and use it on your products and sell them to people. By 1919, when Hearst bought Good Housekeeping, they already had 300,000 subscribers back then. So was it a successful marketing and ad campaign? Heck yeah. Did certifications and seal of approvals become a thing? Think Better Business Bureau. Whole industries have sprung up. Think ISO certifications and things. Think nursing. Think college degrees. And why I wore this silly shirt today is because it reminds me of graduation gowns. Now, I didn't go to my college graduation because I already had a job and was away working, and I didn't want to go back for it because I graduated finally with 3 degrees from a really, really big school. And so I was like, yeah, I'm not going to go spend half the day going through my graduation ceremony, which was kind of silly back then. It probably should have celebrated and had a little bit of pomp and circumstance, but I was more excited about working and beginning my career, my corporate career. So this whole topic of certifications and degrees, I used to be, and obviously I had, like most people, this huge belief that you had to have a college degree, you had to get advanced degrees and certifications and stamps of approval from different organizations. And up until, even 2017, when I became a certified ClickFunnels certified partner, I still was doing certifications, but not for the same reasons that I believed that we had to have certain things in order to be successful. I believe that training and education and learning and certificates and certifications are a shortcut, just like coaching and masterminds are a shortcut to getting the results that we want. Any way we can speed up our education, speed up our learning curve, it's usually a good investment for us. But as far as everybody needing a college degree, nope, guess what? You pay for it, you go to school, you show up for your classes, and you're going to get a college degree. Is that going to guarantee you anything in the future? No, it actually isn't. One of my friends posted the other day about can't believe how people will balk at paying for coaching, but they're the same people that will have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on their college degree with no guarantee of anything at the end of it. Where coaching usually comes with, and masterminds usually come with, hey, you're guaranteed to be successful because we're going to help you and make sure that you're successful before we give you the certificate or before we send you on your way, because that reflects on our coaching ability, our consulting, our ability to help you transform and change. So seal of approvals, love to know your thoughts and experience with this. Like I said, I think it's an incredibly powerful, as we've seen in education and degrees and college, and you don't actually have to guarantee anything at the end of it if you're a accredited educational institution that you're going to get someone's success. You just have to, or that they're going to have success based on what you teach them. So think about, how does this impact your business? A lot of people I know, a lot of professionals I know, continue their education and have to have proof of continuing education in order to continue to practice. Think of teachers, lawyers, doctors. I think doctors still have to do some continuing education. Not sure, I guess. Chiropractors, I don't know. I'm not familiar with that. But I personally think that all of us, the most important education we can ever get is the be you, to be yourself, continue to improve, show up and be the best possible version of yourself. And that is an education that is tailor-made for you. Nobody can tell you what degrees, what certifications, what you need to study, what books you need to read. You have to follow your own heart and intuition and desires and curiosity to pick and choose the ones that are right for you. All right, that's our idiom for today. I like this one. I think it's entertaining at best, that seals of approval and certifications, just like everything else, which is why I like to talk about the meaning of things, the meaning of idioms, because everything on the planet is made up, right? Math, science, time, everything is discovered and made up and defined on our own terms. And so guess what? You too could create, we don't have to say made up because then it doesn't feel real. Because if you create it, it becomes real. All of our ideas start out as ideas, right, in our mind, our imagination. And then if we act on them, they become real in our lives. Just like different ideas, business ideas and products and services. Chances are the business that you're running right now didn't necessarily exist unless, of course, you bought it from someone else before you had the idea. But then you still have the idea to purchase it from someone else to grow and build and supersize and add more value to the growth. All right, I've rambled enough. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, if there's an idiom you want to know the origin of, ask. Otherwise, I will pick one and be with you tomorrow, because I think it's important that we step back and think about what do things mean to us as we're building and growing and supersizing our business. Guess what? Some things, they're not going to mean anything to us, but maybe down the road, we'll be reminded of it by something, and it will trigger something that's very powerful in us. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye.